Namaste. So today we are in such a breakfast place where you get a very tasty, hygienic, quality masala dosa at just rupees 35. Oh my god, where is that? Come, let's go. So yes, we are in Taza Tindi in Jainagar 4th T block in Bengaluru. So guys, this is their menu. They have minimal food items with very less prices. Just have a look at their rates here. This place will always be crowded. You can see the queue here, but it is worth waiting, guys. They have all breakfast items, idli, vada, chow chow bath, dosas. They even have coffee, tea, badam milk and Horlicks. I can say this is one of the people's favorite breakfast points in Bengaluru. It's not just open in the mornings but also in the evenings too. You can see the seating space here. It has both indoor and outdoor seating, but it is a self-service restaurant. This place will always be crowded, be it in the mornings or in the evenings, in the weekdays or in the weekends. So this place, Taza Tindi, is a South Indian fast food chain recognized for cleanliness. It has been awarded as Asia's most clean restaurant. So here they say we follow hygienic and sterilizing method to wash plates and glasses using world-class dishwasher. So you can see on the opposite, that is their world-class dishwasher and sterilizing unit. This is batter preparation unit and parcel counter. You can see there are beautiful lightings also here. It is very elegantly decorated with beautiful lightings. This is the coffee counter. If you are in Bangalore, this is a must-visit place you can try for breakfast items here. The name itself says Taza Tindi. Taza means fresh, Tindi means breakfast. So they offer fresh breakfast items here. It is a must try, guys. We have got our yummy idlis and vadas. You can also get extra butter on idlis. For that they will charge extra. If you want extra chutney, they will serve here. This is the rupees 35 yummy crispy masala dosa. And this is chow chow bath, where you get both khara bath and kesri bath. This is just rupees 30. This is our bill for 3 people. A stomach filling South Indian dinner including coffee costed just rupees 237. Wow. You can even order from Zomato and Swiggy, but nothing beats enjoying their hot fresh food right here at the restaurant. They have one more branch in Banashankari also. How to reach this place is given in the description. Do read it. After finishing your dinner at Taza Tindi, you can go to this Cakewala bakery which is right beside Taza Tindi. Both Cakewala and Taza Tindi are owned by Shri Gopadi Srinivasa Rao, who is also the founder of Mayura Bakery, Ishanya, Taza Mithai, Cool Joint, Kenola and many more. For juices, milkshakes and sandwiches, you can even come to this Ganesh Juice Center which is just about 300 meters away from Taza Tindi. So I have finished ticking this awesome restaurant in my bucket list. How about you? Do share this video with all your contacts and let them know about this breakfast point in Bengaluru. And do subscribe and click on the bell icon to not miss out on more such beautiful places. Thank you.